In this video, Position Settings, one of the most important parts of configuring GridX. The first parameter is the starting position size. This defines the lot size of your first order in the basket. Choosing the right starting size is critical because it influences risk, margin use, and potential drawdown. Next is the DCA toggle, which stands for cost averaging. When enabled, GridX will add new positions as the market moves against your initial entry. When disabled, only the first trade will be opened. Then we have the increment type. There are three options: none, addition, and multiplier. With none, every added order uses the same lot size as the starting position. With addition, each order increases by a fixed amount. For example, if your starting size is 0.01 and the increment is 0.01, then the sequence becomes 0.01, 0.02, 0.03. With multiplier, each new position is multiplied by the factor, similar to a martingale. If your starting size is 0.01 and the multiplier is 2, then the sequence becomes 0.01, 0.02, 0.04, 0.08. Incrementing the lot size can be beneficial in some circumstances, especially when working with baskets and a cumulative take profit. By increasing position sizes as the basket builds, you shift the average entry price closer to the market price. This means that the combined basket requires a smaller move to return to profit. The effect is that losses are recovered faster, and the take profit target is often reached sooner compared to equal lot grids. Of course, this comes with higher risk, since larger positions amplify both profit and drawdown. That is why GridX includes the max position size setting. Even if the increment calculation suggests a larger lot, GridX will not exceed this maximum. This provides a safety cap for your exposure and margin requirements. To show an example, we will use the GridX helper, a tool to assist in the grid model. Keeping the leg, or gap, the same, you can see the different position size of the orders using the different increments. The position settings are essential for balancing profit potential with account safety. By combining starting size, DCA, increment logic, and maximum limits, you can shape GridX to fit your risk tolerance and trading style.